Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Snapchat support code SS06. So guys, when you have login your Snapchat account on iPhone or on Android phone and you are facing SS06 issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back and open your settings on your iPhone, and guys you need to scroll it below, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys after this you have to find here Snapchat. So guys, when you have find your Snapchat, simply you have to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys you need to log in again and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys no need to worry, you have to go back and guys open your Safari browser, and guys after opening this, here you need to search Snapchat support. After searching this you have to open this one, and guys you need to wait for some seconds, and guys you will see this type of interface. You need to scroll it down, click on contact us, and guys you have to wait for some seconds. So guys you will see a new page here. As you can see from here, guys you need to click on I think my account was compromised, and guys after this you need to wait. Here you need to write your email address. As you can see, first of all you have to write your username of your Snapchat account. For example, my username is this. Here you need to write your email, and guys after writing your email, as you can see, so guys scroll it below. Here you need to write your phone number, and guys here you need to write your appeal that I am going to paste here. So guys, simply you can get this appeal in this video description, so go ahead and copy this appeal and paste in this description tab. So guys, here you need to write your name, and guys here you can select your own username of your Snapchat account and email address as well. And guys you have to submit your appeal, and within few minutes they will review your appeal and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.